Somewhere in the heart of the Philippines lies the second largest coral reef system in the world, the Apo Reef. A protected paradise home to crystal clear waters, vibrant corals, and marine life that feels straight out of a dream. And for today's video, we're gonna be freediving, exploring, and camping under the stars with TropicalDive PH. From the vast ocean to the moments that make it magical, welcome to Apo Reef. Last question, what can people expect, like the struggles in going there, or maybe like what to expect when you get there, like the bad things?
The bad things? Okay.
At least we can get to it first.
It's a bear experience, so it's not a bad thing. It's a really emotional factor. It's just a so what's
Uy, ito na naman si Boy Video.
How many hours is our trip for?
Boat ride at least 3 hours.
Oh, it's gonna be 3 hours.
3 hours
Lost straw.
of boat ride.
Lost
Going...
straw.
Oo! Kasi we've been on a 9-hour trip na eh. Sa last night.
Dapa!
Hello, ayan But I asked, it's right there. What's the reason why we're going around instead of going straight here? So it's because that part is quite shallow. We need to follow the marker, that one.
What's the purpose of marker? We have markers in place because we want to mark which part of the ocean has shallow corals. So we want to avoid them. Shallow part and sometimes then nag-limit yung fresh tsaka salt.
Ah, mixture of fresh and salt water. Okay. We're almost there.
Apo Reef.
Yay!
Ang plan po natin, tutulungan tayo nila kuya magbaba ng gamit. Kanya-kanya po tayong dala ng bags.
We are finally here. Campsite.
Yung
Kitchen. Nakita ko lang to sa vlog ni Erwan before ako naging freediver. Okay, it's a pop-up. Is it a pop-up tent?
Oo, pag ganun po, okay.
Okay.
Ikaw, ano sa'yo? Kain nyo na yan!
Okay, good morning po sa lahat. Okay naman, nakakita naman ng dolphins yung lahat. At nakita ko naman.
Kalahati lang.
Ganun po talaga, pag sa dalawang grupo, isa lang yung pwedeng makakita ng dolphins. Kasi yung isa, kukwentuhan nung isang grupo.
Ito, ready na.
Bianca!
We'll be diving here in the so-called diving spot, the Adin. Lighthouse. Dito, nagninest din sila. Island, it's supposed to be the last day itinerary, but I think they made changes.
Sige, wait lang. Against the light eh.
Heads up. So the waves are kind of crazy here. They told us the last time they went here, the waves aren't that strong. Plus the current is really stable compared to this. But the good thing is, it's all to ourselves, since we are the only group here who's using Apo Reef. Yeah. What can you say about our dive?
Had a great dive. I thought it's gonna be scary and quite claustrophobic, but not so much. It's actually beautiful inside the shipwreck.
We've been diving for about, we
Three?
started 7, I think 7.
Oh.
Now it's 11:35. 11:35, yo!
Fresh na fresh.
After 3 hours na
diving.
diving.
Kaya makinig kayo kung ano yung ini-endorse nyo. Always follow. Lulale. Diba? Fresh na fresh. Pack na pack pa rin. Ang aming idol.
Wala na akong sasabihin after.
Sinabi ko na lahat.
Pantay na kalahating araw na nasa shipwreck.
After the dive, we're just waiting for the food to be cooked. We're staying here. Such a cool place to stay. Time to eat. Tiko.
Stiko.
Where are we going?
Ito na naman si
O sagutin mo lang, where are we going lang? Isang question lang yan. Yeah, where are we going?
We are going to Mangrove for a night walk.
What's inside? By the way, I'm just using the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro.
Pinapahalagahan sa loob. Nandun yung nakikita yung black tip.
Kailan ba yung turtle hatching season? Oh my god.
If sayang last month April,
Sayang.
mas madalas sila pag April, mas marami. Gabi-gabi halos merong turtle market.
Wow!
Kala ko na
May ladybug.
It's time to eat our last dinner. Last dinner, di ba, dito? Right. The 3 days we spent was truly worth it. A break away from social media and a much needed detox. Thank you TropicalDive PH for inviting us and making this trip unforgettable. I actually had to cut a lot of parts from this vlog, but I wanted to show you guys a glimpse of what to expect here in Apo Reef. If you really want to understand its beauty, it's something you need to experience yourself. Our guide taught us so much about the reef, the mangroves, and why protecting nature matters. And sharing stories with everyone at night just made it even more special. The trip was full of laughter, lessons, and good memories. If you've enjoyed this dive, don't forget to subscribe for more adventures and behind the scenes of our life. See you on our next vlog.